everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop the microphone echoing you've been having on your PlayStation 4 headset. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So you have your PlayStation 4 headset right here, and your friends have been complaining about the microphone echoing a lot. Well, one thing you need to take in consideration is how it fits on your head. Is there a lot of sound leaking from the sides here and leaking into your microphone? Now, I have the PlayStation Pulse 3D headset right here, and it has built-in microphones. So one thing with the built-in microphones, it's very close to your speakers. So think about that with your headset. So I have a different headset right here, and it's kind of the same situation where the microphone is very, very close to the actual speaker. So if there is kind of any sound leaking from your actual speakers, it's going to be picked up real easy inside your microphone. So make sure it's fitting good, and also you got to think about the sound. If you're playing with your headset very, very, very loud, there's a greater chance it's going to be picked up in your speakers since they're so close. Now, the other thing you need to be thinking about is the sensitivity on your microphone, which you can actually adjust on your PlayStation 4. So let's go over to that right now. So I'm on the home screen of the PlayStation 4. Right now, I'm going to adjust the sensitivity on my microphone by pressing and holding down the PlayStation button and then going up to sound and devices, and then scroll over to the right and go down to adjust microphone level. Under here, we can go ahead and adjust the microphone sensitivity. Right now, you can see my microphone is way too high. It's actually in the red section. So if it's way too high, and it's always hitting the too high section, it's way too sensitive. It's going to pick up what you are hearing in your actual headset and play it over your microphone. So if you go ahead and slide this to the left and get about 3/4 of the way up, we will be good and won't be nearly as sensitive. And also go ahead and look at your low end sounds too, and just like tap on your keyboard and anything around you, and make sure those aren't being picked up too much as the too low section. Also, like if you have a furnace kicking in or you have a fan in the background, make sure it's not picking up in the too low section. So if you're not talking for a bit and you can just tap on your keyboard, it's not picking up. So adjust your mic for the too low section and make sure the background noise isn't picking up, and make sure it's not way too high, so it's reverbing from your headset over to your microphone and then back over to your friend's microphone and their headset. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.